Hey guys, and welcome back to the Coders Legacy channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can resize images in Pygame. Now, images are obviously very essential to any game. You need to have many images for your sprites, player, enemies, ground, backgrounds, whatever. And often you'll need to scale them because if you have an image and you want to display multiple of them at different sizes, you're not going to load a separate image, right? You're just going to load in the one image and then you'll scale it accordingly, right? So here we have an image, okay, and here you can take a look at it. It's a simple car that I used in my car dodging game. So we're going to take this image and then draw it to our screen by using the blit function. If I just run this code here, we get our output over here. Okay, there's our nice car. Okay, now what I want to do is make this smaller. All right, so what I'm gonna do is over here, let's do image pygame dot transform, okay, dot scale, and over here the first parameter is going to be the image object that we want to, transform, that we want to resize, and the second parameter is going to be the size that we wish to resize it to. We can specify a specific size like this. Okay, it's a tuple with two values, the width and the height, and if I do this, we get this car over here that's clearly has a bad aspect ratio because we've just given it a fixed size. That's generally not a good idea unless you know the exact dimensions of your image, the exact aspect ratio, the ratio of the width to the height. So that's generally not a good idea. What you should do is image.getRect, okay, and I think this is a function, right? So you do dot width over here, okay, and you get the width, and image.getRect over here, and then you get the height. All right, and now what you can do is, if you want to, for example, scale it up by 1.33, then you can just do this, okay? And if I run this code now, okay, so it's 1.33 times larger and it doesn't look bad because the aspect ratio was preserved. Now obviously some quality is going to be lost kind of when you upscale, when you go from, when you resize it to a larger size, because it becomes more stretched out kind of. The pixel density decreases a bit. So unless your image was really high quality to begin with, then it might look a bit, off. Now, likewise, you can just, scale it downwards by doing something like 0.5, and this will make it half size. And yeah, it's pretty small. Now, what else should we discuss? Oh, yeah. First of all, never do this inside the game loop over here because it's going to perform this operation every single time. Do it somewhere out here. Okay, so it only happens once. Other than this, there's also the smooth scale function, which basically performs some level of anti-aliasing on the edges, because when you scale upwards, this can result in some jagged edges. So using the smooth scale function can actually, blur those parts out a bit. So if you have any jagged parts, it's going to attempt to blur them a bit to make it look more smoother and natural. Okay, so if you experience any issues by upscaling from a lower size to a larger size, use the smooth scale function. All right, and yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.